Welcome back. In this video we will do something that I've been hoping to do for a long time, and that's install the Wikipedia search. This is our 30th video, and I think it's a fine time to release this new custom sentence. So we will look at that by going to the custom sentences gallery. And we have a few things here that will need to be taken care of before you can install this. First of which, you'll need to install the info and info pick views. I have a video on doing that if you haven't done that already. And also you will need PyScript to be able to run this script to be able to pull the data from Wikipedia. I did post an install video on that, and you can click on this link to install that. But with that in place, you're ready to install the Wikipedia custom sentence. What we need to do first, though, is unlike the majority of our things, we do have to add a script. The script is the view assist wikisearch.py script. We get to it by going to the detailed instructions, and we'll click on the link to get to the script itself. You can see here's the script. We'll go and click on download raw file. You can't see this, but it is actually pulling up a dialog box for me to save it. I'll save it, and I have downloaded the file. And then we'll need to go to Home Assistant, File Editor. In the configuration directory, you should have a directory called PyScript. This was made by the PyScript extension. Notice that you also have one called Python_scripts. This is where the set state PyScript is. This is not the directory you want to put. You need to be certain that you are putting this in PyScript. Also, if you do not have this directory, which you should, you may need to create it. But it's important to make sure that you're putting this in the correct directory. Otherwise, things will not work. So we'll go to PyScript, and there's an example.py that comes whenever you install the extension. So I'll click on Upload File, and then I'll click on File. Again, you can't see this, but I can see it. Just a second, I need to remember where I downloaded the file. Open. Yep. Okay. So excuse me 1 second. So this is in this directory here. The script. Click Open, and now you can see that it's ready to import it. Click OK, and if we click on View Assist Wiki PySearch, you can see that it's here. So this is the script that we need. Now, the cool thing about one of the cool things about PyScript is that it makes service calls, and you don't really need to know this, but I'll just show you that if we go to Services, and then we just X out this, and we search for a service, we could type in Wiki, and here's the search Wikipedia, and then we can type in the search term, which will say let's see, something like let's just say Joe Biden, and whenever you click call, it will pull this information, and then this will be fed into the automation that we're about to install, the blueprint. So you can do this by coming here and doing a search just before you install the blueprint to make sure that this piece is working, to prevent you from having to troubleshoot multiple things. Okay, so now we have the piece that we need that will pull the data from Wikipedia. So we can go back and import the blueprint. We'll click Import Blueprint, and then we'll say Open Link, and make sure you have the correct instance. This is on my dev. So it'll say you want to import the blueprint. We'll say Preview, and then it'll show you this. We'll say Import, and then again, as always, 3 dots, re-import blueprint. If we have some updates, it will update for you automatically. But for now, we have this version. We'll click on search. The options, the command to use to search, tell me about, and then the search term, or search for, and then the search term. The dashboard is where you want it to point to for the info pick. This is the one that has a photo. It will bring it to this page. If it does not have a photo, it will bring it to this page. And then you also need the group entity. This is your view assist satellites. All of this is things that we've already talked about, so I won't go in great detail. We'll hit save, and then it will want a name. View assist search Wikipedia is fine, and then you hit rename, and that's it. So now everything is installed and ready to test. And if you give me just a minute, I'll switch over to the Android view and demonstrate this to you. Alright, so here's the Android view, and we'll go ahead and demonstrate. Okay, Nabu, search Taylor Swift.
Taylor Allison Swift is an American singer-songwriter, known for her autobiographical songwriting and artistic reinventions. Swift is an influential figure in popular culture and the subject of widespread public interest.
And that's it. So anytime you say search and then what you're looking for, it will look on Wikipedia and provide the information like you just saw. This is everything that you need to get this going. I know that this one's a little more complicated than the rest, but I'm confident that you can get this running. If you have any trouble, we do have the Discord, which is growing every day with great folks on there helping each other and getting View Assist set up and expanded. I do ask again that you like and subscribe. I would also encourage you to comment. We don't get very many comments, and it's hard for me to gauge the level that folks are at, if they're having any trouble or if they have any questions. So I encourage that you do that. It also lets me know that people are watching and are interested. So even if you just drop in just to say, hey, I think this is cool, or maybe I'd like to see this, it would really be a boost to see more activity in the comment sections. But with that said, for now, this is it.